All of these people that you can see right here have made thousands of dollars online. Can you do the same? Well, by the end of this video, you will be able to. In this tutorial, we will be talking about a 100% free bot through which you will be able to get paid $20 again and again doing basically no work whatsoever. You don't need a website for this, you don't need any social media followers or whatever. You don't need skills or experience, and you will not be investing any of your money into anything. It's all free, done for you, and easy to do above all else. If today's video sounds good to you, smash that like button and let's get back to the tutorial. As you've all heard me say, today I have a free bot to share with you that will do all of the work, so you basically don't have to do anything. What's worth noting is that this strategy is as unique as they come, so you've never seen anything like this before, and I promise you, you will love it. Anyways, let's get to the very first website you'll want to go over to today. And as you can see, I am now over at Fiverr.com. This might scare you, and you might be thinking that you'll have to sell stuff as a freelancer on here. But let me tell you right away that you will not be doing that. You will want to sign up to a few freelancing sites, but as I will show you soon, you won't have to sell a single thing, so bear with me here. As I was saying, you want to sign up to some of these platforms. It can be pretty much any freelancing site out there, but the ones I'd recommend are as follows: Fiverr.com, PeoplePerHour.com, Guru.com, and lastly, Freelancer.com. You want to really quickly create accounts on all of these websites. As an example, on People Per Hour, all I would have to do is click on the sign up button here, and then I would need to type in all of my info as usual. With that done, now that you have accounts on all of those websites, it's time for me to show you something that will serve as proof that yes, you can actually make this work and make money. As you can see on People Per Hour, I've searched for article. And this is because I want to show you just how much money people are making writing articles, and why that is relevant for you if you are not going to be selling anything on these freelancing sites. You'll see soon enough. Point is though, people are getting paid a ton of money for writing articles. As you can see, all of these people are charging a lot of money and have made quite a bit of money. This girl I found here is charging $30 and has close to 1,400 sales in total. So that's like $42,000, which goes to show you the potential here. And this is far from the only example. Here we have close to the same amount of sales with the same price of $30. So that's again over $40,000 made. In this last example, however, we have the most money made by far. This girl I found is charging $15, which is less than the previous two I've shown you, but she has nearly 5,000 sales as you can see down here. Do the math and you will end up with like $75,000 made in total. It's crazy. And so now that you know that there is money to be made here, let me actually show you what you will want to do, since things might seem extremely confusing at first. Now, since I did say multiple times you won't be offering your services on these platforms, let's get to the first step you want to undertake. Find someone on People Per Hour, like this girl for example, who is well established, meaning that they have a lot of great reviews and they are making quite a bit of money. You want at least 5 people or so, but as you've seen a moment ago, you won't have any trouble finding them. Next, what you will want to do is contact these people, and this is how you'll be able to get paid. What you will do is tell them stuff like, hey, I can help you write more articles, or something like that, and then you want to tell them that you are asking less money per article than what they are charging. And so for example, this girl is charging $30. I'd want to tell her I'm asking $10 or $15 per article. And you might be thinking to yourself, why would they want to accept? Well, these people I've just shown you can only write so many articles. This means that they for sure would make use of some help, especially since the articles you send them, they will immediately be able to sell and make money. And if you are asking for less money than what they are charging, this allows them to make money passively. So there's actually a huge chance they might accept, because it makes total sense they do so. In the end, they'll be able to make more money doing no work. What's worth mentioning here though, is that not everyone will accept, and so this is why I recommend you sign up to all of those platforms. You want to contact freelancers on Fiverr, on People Per Hour, on Guru, and so on, so you can reach as many people as possible. Just having 2 or 3 freelancers agreeing to work with you would be enough. The main question you will have now, however, is how can I write articles if I'm not a professional? Well, the bot I mentioned way back in the intro now comes into the picture. This website here called articlegenerator.org will literally write a completely professional article for you without you having to invest a dime. And that's the truly great part here. You don't have to pay anyone anything. What you will need to do to generate a new article with this now is type in a keyword here. And obviously, depending on what the freelancers you are working with request, you will type that in this box. Next, what happens is you will choose how many articles you want. And finally, just click on this button and this will generate an entire article completely done for you, without you having to type in a single word. How awesome is that? As an example, I typed in weight loss, and as you can see, I got a huge article here with probably over 2,000 words. This just goes to show you that this does actually work. It's not fake or whatever. And when this creates an article for you guys, you'll simply send it over to the freelancers you are working with. And not only will they get paid in pure passive income, so will you. You won't need any writing skills for this, no experience or anything like that. You can just use this website to write articles for you and get paid without actually doing any of the work at all. And most importantly of all, you did not need to sell them on those freelancing platforms, since, as we all know, that is extremely difficult due to the high competition. From here, you can just generate an infinite amount of articles with this software and get paid again and again, doing no work at all. Just like I promised you in the beginning. You can even sell the articles that you generate with this bot to companies that are looking for content. Or you can use the bot to start up your own blog. This bot is basically a hidden gem. So make sure to make the most out of it. And that is it for today's video. If you've learned something new or valuable today, be sure to hit that thumbs up button down below and comment any thoughts or questions that you might have. We love hearing from you guys. And finally, be sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you never miss out on incredible money-making opportunities. See you next time.